Did you know that your gut health can influence everything from your digestion to your immune system? As more people embrace plant-based lifestyles, vegan gut health supplements are becoming increasingly popular. These supplements, including those from brands like Digestion and Culturelle, can significantly enhance digestive health. Gut health refers to the balance and function of microorganisms in your digestive tract. This balance is crucial for overall well-being, as supported by organizations like the American Gastroenterological Association. Beneficial gut bacteria, such as Lactobacillus acidophilus and Bifidobacterium lactis, play a key role in healthy digestion. Maintaining good gut health is vital for preventing digestive issues like constipation and diarrhea. Gut health is not just about digestion, it also supports your immune system and overall well-being. A healthy gut helps with nutrient absorption, regulates metabolism, and prevents digestive issues. Recent research shows that a balanced gut microbiome can even impact psychological health. Vegan gut health supplements combine probiotics, prebiotics, and digestive enzymes from plant-based sources. These supplements are essential for vegans looking to naturally enhance their gut microbiome. Probiotics, like those in Digestion, help populate the gut with healthy microorganisms. Prebiotics promote the growth of beneficial bacteria, while digestive enzymes aid in breaking down food. Probiotics are live microorganisms that can enhance gut health when consumed in adequate amounts. Strains like Lactobacillus acidophilus and Bifidobacterium lactis restore gut microbial flora disrupted by poor diet or stress. Clinical trials show that probiotics can reduce gastrointestinal symptoms and improve overall gut health. Prebiotics are non-digestible fibers that serve as food for healthy gut bacteria. They help create an environment where probiotics can thrive, contributing to overall gut balance. Common sources of prebiotics include whole grains, bananas, asparagus, and garlic. Digestive enzymes are proteins that break down food into nutrients the body can absorb. These enzymes are essential for gut health, facilitating digestion and nutrient absorption. Supplements like probiotics, prebiotics, and digestive enzymes improve digestion and overall wellness. Probiotics restore the balance of gut bacteria, essential for optimal digestive function. Prebiotics serve as nourishment for beneficial bacteria, supporting their growth. Digestive enzymes ensure that nutrients are effectively absorbed into the body. Popular vegan gut health supplements include Now Probiotic, Nature's Bounty, and Garden of Life. The best supplements feature powerful probiotics, prebiotics, and digestive enzymes. When choosing supplements, look for vegan certification and check for allergens and sensitivities. Consider the specific probiotic strains and their CFUs to ensure efficacy. High-quality ingredients are crucial for the safety and effectiveness of gut health supplements. Incorporate these supplements into your diet to enhance your gut health and overall well-being.